Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover a new chapter, that is the chapter 6 of class 7th NCERT, and it is triangle and its property. So in this chapter, what are the topics today we are going to cover? So the first one is triangle, then second is your median, then altitude, then exterior angle, then what is the angle sum property, then triangle inequality. So these all topics today we are going to cover in this chapter. So first you can see what is triangle. So we know that a triangle is a three-sided polygon, or you can also say in this way that it is a simple closed figure that is made up of three line segment. So we can see here, you can see this diagram, and let me show you this also. So here you can see this is the triangle ABC, and in this, we are having the three vertices. So this is vertices vertex A, then vertex C. This is the vertex B. So three vertices it is having. Then you can see it is also having the three sides. So AB, then AC and BC. So three sides it is having. Then it is also having three angles. Okay, so we normally call it as angle A, angle C, or angle B. But we can also name them. Like if I'm saying the angle BAC. Okay, so this angle I am just calling. So this will be my angle BAC. Now, how I name this angle? So this is like if you are saying BAC. So whatever the vertex is coming in this angle, that will be always in the middle, and the other 2 points you can take. Okay, you can take in any order. So like if we are saying BAC, so I can also call it as angle CAP. Okay, and this is the sign that we use before writing any angle. So this is angle BAC or the angle CAP. Then you can also have this angle ACB, then angle ABC. Okay, so whatever the angle you are referring, the vertex of that will always be in the middle of the name of that angle. So this is all what is triangle. Okay, then we can see after what is the median of the triangle. Okay, so first we learn what is triangle, then median of a triangle. Okay, so in the median of a triangle, what we see that when you draw any line segment, okay, so this you can see, suppose this is the triangle. So I draw a line segment from A to the on the opposite side BC. So this I am calling as AD. So this line is this line is dividing my opposite side into two equal parts. So here you can see this is CD, right, and this BD. So CD and BD, they are divided equally, right? So this BC is divided into two equal parts, that is CD and BD. Now, okay, so this is the median. Now you can draw this median from any vertex, as we are having the three vertex. So we can draw three medians. Okay, and it will always lie inside the triangle. Okay, the question can be asked that how many medians you can draw and where they lie. So you just remember it always lie inside the triangle, and it will divide the triangle into two equal parts, and it will also divide the opposite side into two equal parts. So this is all about the median. And as we can see, what is the altitude of a triangle? Okay, so altitude is also altitude. Okay, what is the difference? Also, you can just understand here that altitude is the line segment. Okay, it is also the line segment that we are drawing from the vertex on the opposite side of this triangle. Okay, so here you can see from this on this BC, I am drawing AD. So this AD is my line segment, and it is making 90-degree angle with this BC. Okay, so this you can see. So this is our altitude. So we understand what is median, and we also understand what is altitude. Okay, so now if you will see that what is the interesting thing here, that some triangles are there in which if you will draw the median and the altitude, they will work as same. Okay, so do you know what those triangles are? Okay, so that triangle is your first is your isosceles triangle. So in the isosceles triangle, we know that two sides are equal. Okay, so suppose this I am taking as the isosceles triangle. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so now suppose this is the isosceles triangle in which AC and AB, they both are equal, right? So we know in the isosceles triangle, the angles that are made to the opposite side are also equal. So this angle C will also be equal to this angle B, right? Now, if you will draw the median, from the vertex. Okay, so from the vertex, or we can say the vertex that is coming between the two equal sides. Okay, so from from there, if you will draw the median, it will also work as an altitude. Or I can say that median and altitude will be same. Okay, in case of this isosceles triangle, okay, for that vertex which is lying between the two equal sides. So this is, and if you know that there is equilateral triangle also. So in the equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So all the sides are equal. So the angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So every angle in this triangle will be equal. Okay, so that is why we say in the equilateral triangle, all the angles equal and all the sides are also equal. Now, if you will draw the median from any side, from any vertex on the opposite side of a triangle, it will also work as an altitude. So we can say in case of equilateral triangle, every median is working as the altitude, or I can say every altitude is working as median, right? Or we can say the median and altitude are same. Okay, so this was about median and the altitude. So this we discussed. Then after that, you can see there is exterior angle property of a triangle. So first, what is exterior angle of a triangle? Then I will tell you what is the exterior angle property. So now suppose again, this is the triangle. Okay, so just give me a minute. So this you can see now. This is the triangle ABC and I draw. Okay, so I just extended one side of a triangle, right? So I name it as D. Okay, so whenever we do this, okay, we call it as the xt. Okay, and I draw an angle also. Okay, so this angle will be called as the exterior angle, that is outside this triangle, right? But it is made due to or we can say it is made after producing one of the side of a triangle. So that is why we are calling it as the exterior angle. So I hope this is clear. And after that, there is one property that is related to this exterior angle. And what is that? Okay, so if I am talking about this angle ABD, right? So this angle ABD, it will be equal to the sum of this, okay, opposite interior angle, or you can say the far interior angle. So that is the angle. Okay, so this is angle B. So BCA and the angle CAB. So BCA plus angle CAB. So these, it will be equal to the sum of the far interior angle. So this is the property of exterior angle. And what is the exterior angle we cover. Then after that, what is the angle sum property? Okay, so this is the easier one. What is the angle sum property? So we know that in an angle sum property, the sum of, okay, you have seen the sum of all the angles is 180 degree. So now suppose this angle is my X, this is my Y, and this is my Z. So I can say that X plus Y plus Z will be equals to 180 degree. So this is the angle sum property of a triangle. So I hope you will remember this. Angle sum property means sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this is the angle sum property. Then we will discuss now what is the triangle inequality. So in this triangle inequality, what is given? That the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle, it is always greater than the third side. Okay, so you can see, suppose this is the triangle again. Okay, so just a second. Now, so here we can see this is the triangle ABC. Now in this triangle ABC, I'm again, what I have to do, I have to show the triangle inequality. Okay, so what is the triangle inequality? Triangle inequality says that sum of the any two sides of a triangle will be greater than the third side. So AB plus BC, okay, it will always greater than CA. Or I can say, okay, AB plus BC, then you can take BC plus AC. So BC plus AC or CA, you can say it will be greater than AB. Right, so this we have taken AB, BC, then BC, AC, then AC plus AB. So AC plus AB will be greater than the third side, that is BC. Okay, so now if you will see, okay, we have learned the shortest distance. Okay, so suppose this is the two places. Now I have to reach from A to B. Right, so what will be the shortest distance? Right, this is suppose the third point. If you will directly go from A to B, this will be the shortest, right? And if I will say just move from this point C, okay, from A first you will go to C, then from C you will go to B. Right, so which will be the shortest path? This AB. Okay, so the same is in triangle. The shortest, okay, this when I'm going from C to B, that means this BC will be lesser than the sum of this AC and B, AC and AB, that is the sum of these two sides. Okay, so the same concept is working here. Now there is one more triangle inequality, and that says that the difference of any two side, okay, so the difference of any two side will be lesser than the third side. Okay, so you can take AB, okay, this AB minus BC. So AB minus BC will be lesser than the third side, okay, that is AC. Then you can take AB minus BC we have taken, then BC minus AC. So BC minus AC will be lesser than the third side, and that is AB. Right, then you can see the third, that is, okay, BC and AC we have taken, then AC minus AB. So AC minus AB will be lesser than the third side, and that is BC. Okay, so this we have discussed. So now we can see, okay, what all topics today we have discussed. So first we learn what is triangle. Then after that we discuss, okay, we discuss about what is median of a triangle. We see that it divides it into two equal parts. And we learn about the altitude, that is we are making the 90-degree angle on the opposite side from any vertex of the triangle. Then we discuss what is exterior angle and what is the property that is related to the exterior angle, and after that we discuss what is the angle sum property, and we discuss angle triangle inequality. So in the next video we will cover the questions that are related to the this triangle and its property in the same sequence. So for the time being, bye bye everyone and have a great day. Thank you for watching.